Want to learn how to use Clipchamp as a beginner? Clipchamp is Microsoft's video editor with tools for editing videos, adding images, audio, text, transitions, effects, and more. In this guide, I'll show you the basic Clipchamp workflow step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and select Create a new video. You can also start a new project from the plus button. This opens the video editor where you'll build your project. Next, import the videos, images, and audio you want to use. You can drag files into the media area or select Import Media and choose files from your computer. Drag your media from the library onto the timeline. Arrange your clips in the order you want, then drag the edges of each clip to adjust its duration. Now you can make basic edits. Trim unwanted sections, split clips, crop your video, change the speed, or adjust the position of your media. Use the preview window to check your changes as you work. To make your video more engaging, add text, transitions, filters, effects, or other visual elements. You can also add music, sound effects, or a voiceover when your project needs narration. Before exporting, play your entire project from beginning to end. Check the timing, audio levels, text, transitions, and overall appearance. Yeah, this final review can help you catch small mistakes before creating the finished file. When everything looks good, select Export and choose your preferred video quality. Clipchamp will process the project and create a finished video file that you can save and share. And that's how to use Clipchamp for beginners in 2026. Create a project, import your media, edit your clips, add text and effects, preview your video, and export the final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.